Okay, right now we're at Harris, and then we're visiting the flooding and everything just to see. And then I never knew the casino was a boat. It's awesome. It's not floating right now because it doesn't have a lot of water. That's my family right there. That's my mom. Hi mom. That's my nephew. That's my sister over there. And it's really deep. See, all of it is like flooded. You can't go in there. It's not open to the public. Yeah. Just right now, just walking. I see some people. I don't know who. There's police over there, and as you can see, it says, "Stop! Do not pass beyond this point." Yeah. Gonna go see where the cars used to park. Passing the road. Oh, we can't go in there. Only certain kind of people could go. But okay. Okay, hold on. See? It's up to the parking lot. It's really deep, see? Jahara, is it Maria? Is it really deep?
Why is it Maria?
I don't know. Jahara, is it really deep?
Yes.
What? It's nothing. It's a video. And yeah, it's really. But right there in that pool, right there, it's not. Cause unless the yellow stuff is like up to like here.
Yeah.
It is?
No, it's taller.
Oh. My mom just went into the casino, or the lobby. Can you go in the casino? No. But they say Maristar is deeper, like where I showed you last time. It's like really deep. Parking lot over there. But the Maristar is the number one floor where you could park is all like deep. It's all full. Then there's some birds over there in the distance. Yeah. I think I'm gonna end. Bye. Bye Facebook. Bye YouTube.